Now let us take a look at the Bach flower remedy, holly. Mechtel Schaefer calls holly the heart-opening flower, moving from hard-heartedness to generosity. Its keywords are envious, jealous, and feelings of hatred. The range is all the way from hard-hearted to sadistic and malicious. Focus is on loving, love, tolerance, understanding, and gentleness. Negative qualities are mistrust, closed heart, and jealousy. Positive qualities are inner harmony, feeling connected, and love. Holly balances strong negative feelings directed at someone else, such as jealousy, envy, suspicion, desire for revenge, spitefulness, or hatred, and it is needed whenever these feelings are apparent. Holly is also the remedy for inexplicable anger, for all the different forms of vexation. Those who need this remedy may suffer much, often when there is no real cause for their unhappiness. The positive quality of this remedy is forgiveness and love.